Good morning, America. How are you? Monday Morning Rail. I'm Denny Jelsma, and I'm at the Jacksonville Terminal Railroad Museum layout, and it's Monday morning show and tell. This Monday morning, we're looking at a Jacksonville, Florida scene of the Atlantic coastline. It's a Bud observation lounge car. This car is custom made by Southeastern Models. Mike Stamey made this, and it is a Bud observation car. It ran out on the Atlantic coastline up and down the East Coast for years and years. This is a beautiful car, and this is just one car that you could see on this fabulous layout that we have in Jacksonville. And it's Monday morning show and tell at the Jacksonville Terminal Railroad Museum.